Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a usable image and clear reference points. Open Google Earth Pro, zoom to your area, enable lat/long and any place marks, then capture a high-resolution PNG or JPEG. You should immediately note or export at least 4 precise coordinates in decimal degrees around the image frame so you have control points. Once done, confirm the image projection is unknown and that Qgis is installed. Make sure file names are short and paths have no spaces. Now bring the image into Qgis georeferencer to tie pixels to coordinates. You add the captured PNG, set the coordinate reference system to your project CRS, commonly EPSC 4326, then add control points by clicking an image point and typing the matching decimal degree coordinate you recorded. Use a simple transformation first, like polynomial 1 or thin plate spline if terrain varies, and pick bilinear resampling for photos. Finally, define the output. After georeferencing, load the produced GeoTIFF into the Qgis project and immediately check alignment against a known base layer like OSM. You can refine by adjusting layer transparency, clipping to your area of interest, or reprojecting the raster to match your project CRS before exporting a final GeoTIFF. If things look off, make sure your control points were accurate and in the same CRS. Mismatched CRS or too few GCPs causes distortion, so add more precise points and rerun the georeferencer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.